Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Tonight we're going to talk about some decentralized finance tools that can help you manage your yield farms or your basically liquidity pools and such like that. So let's get started. So if you followed me the other day, you saw that I got into the YFV pool, and that was via the balancer pool. So I'm in this balancer pool, but the problem is, in essence, I'm staking my tokens on YFV, so my balance shows 0 because technically I have assigned that balance over to YFV. So it kind of makes it hard to basically manage or know what's going on, right? So if we have a look over at YFV and I go to link balancer pool, it shows my rewards and such, but I don't have a way to see if I have impermanent loss, which is like a differential between my YFV and my link, my token counts, or anything. And a lot of people are like, well, I can't really see this. Well, that is where Zapper.Fi comes into play. So Zapper.Fi is very cool DeFi tool, and basically you go over there and it allows you to load wallets so that you can monitor multiple MetaMask accounts. And the cool part is you don't have to sit and flip between accounts. So this basically shows my link account, net worth, debt, total assets, okay? But if you scroll down a little bit, it shows liquidity pools, deposits, and wallet and yield farming. So I click on yield farming, boom, it shows what my current reward is on YFV, right? Cool. Shows your wallet, deposits. You can actually even see your other tokens that you have in your wallet, okay? So it's saying I have balancer, liquidity pools. So I click on that. Now you can see the magic. It shows my actual link value and my YFV value split. So if the YFV price started to slip, it's going to take some of my link to rebalance. That's what the balancer pool does. It keeps that equal ratio, which in this case is 98:2. Okay, so very, very cool. Deposits, I've got my SNX bag over there, which doesn't come out of escrow for a while. You can also invest, which allows you to find pools. Now, these aren't necessarily, I don't know if this is filtered in any way or anything like this, but this shows the different pools that you could invest in. So you could actually invest out of here. The other cool thing on the invest is I could actually claim my YFV while I'm on Zapper, okay, which is super cool. Because if you have multiple wallets, you're farming, or you just have multiple farms, it's going to show this split and it will allow you to collect all your divs at once. So there is an explorer, and then there's a transaction page, and you can set your slippage and tolerance, so you can set your gas when you're interacting on this. So check out Zapper.Fi, the dashboard. Very cool tool to help you manage your farms. Hope you enjoyed tonight's video. Like, subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.